Video 143, looking at collecting information from people in the analysis stage of your project. The first steps of the analysis stage then are to conduct an interview with your customer, client, end user, whatever you want to call them. You'll need to design the questions yourself. The interview itself will be best held face to face with that person, although other means are okay, so it could be something like Skype or just a telephone conversation or email or even a traditional postal system if you have to. Be flexible with how you structure the interview. Have scope for a backup plan if things aren't going according to how you want them to during the interview. It's best to let the person know in advance the structure of your interview, or even send them the questions first so they can prepare some answers. Have closed and open questions. Record your answers, and of course be very thankful of their time, and make sure you do thank them. The document that you produce to record your answers might look a little bit like that there. We'd expect it to be several pages long, and it would need the following from the client at the end: their name, what their position is in the organisation. We need a signature from them and the date. Possible questions. These could be some examples of the sort of things that you're asking. There should be many more questions absolutely relevant to your particular project. Remember, it's your project to help out your client, so everybody's project is going to be different, so everybody's questions should be different. An example there: how would you like something specific in terms of output to look? You might want to group questions under particular headings. There's the mark scheme from the exam board for the analysis section of the project. So have a look at that and see where you think your work will fit into that mark scheme. But remember that the interview is just a small part of the analysis work. So there are more analysis videos to come. Once you've completed your documentation, it'd be a good idea to scan it, digitize it so you've got it in digital format. And you probably want to conduct, after your first interview, a follow-up interview. Review the information you've collected and decide on some new questions basically for your client. So you should document what your follow-up plan of action is regarding the second interview. So have a new page in your project with a title of follow-up plan of action, and tell us what the follow-up plan of action is that you're going to interview the person again. And conduct the second interview with more searching questions. So you document this and scan it in the same way as the first interview. Make sure you get signatures and dates again. And thanks for watching.